The Outdoor Adventure program is a great opportunity for students to come and enjoy the great outdoors. It's also a great learning opportunity for our trip leaders and our Rockwall staff, our bike shop staff. Pretty much anyone who works at Outdoor Adventures gets the opportunity to learn valuable leadership skills, human skills, educational skills, and hopefully these things will be able to stay with them throughout their entire life.
It's just a way for students to kind of get away from just their studies, just the schoolwork, even just being in the valley in general, and kind of get out and in a way relieve some stress, in a way kind of reset their mind, but also just to learn some new things, go places they've never been before, make some new experiences, maybe make some new friends, and just kind of create a fun community here at CSUN.
If I was talking to a student who is hesitant or maybe scared or nervous about getting involved, I would say just try it. Take a little bit of a leap of faith, and I think you'll be greatly rewarded with what you find in Outdoor Adventures. We just want people to take that first step, and then we can help them along the way with gear, with knowledge, with guidance. That's what we're here for, is to support the student in that leap forward.
Just being in nature, like there's something about it where it just kind of tests you in different ways that you don't really get tested here necessarily. And that can really help change people's perspective and help them grow. But then even just being in that atmosphere, kind of in a community, is something I also think is really beneficial. Learn different things than just what they learn in class, and I think that can kind of help rejuvenate people.
Our program is geared for everyone. So if you have no experience or you have a ton of experience, I think you'd find something for you in this program.
I know for me, hiking and being out in nature definitely helps with my studies and kind of just my demeanor in general too. So I think it can really help in a lot of ways. So I think it's a really good program, and a lot more people should take advantage of it, definitely.